your first time to watch my video, please remember to subscribe down below or give me some thumbs up or leave some comments or suggestions for me to read. Today I'm going to share with you my unboxing experience. It's actually my first time to have a GoPro item, so I'm really excited to use it on our trips. This was actually gifted to me by my boyfriend on our anniversary, and I'm so shocked when I saw it inside the package. When I opened the paper bag and saw it, I was so surprised and I almost cried because I cannot buy this thing. I don't have any budget for it. I'm gonna share with you some clips of the unboxing, so stay tuned. If you recall, I mentioned a paper bag. Well, here it is. Since he brought some food with him, I thought this was actually chicken wings. So when I opened the box, I saw the GoPro. Here I'm just showing you what is expected to see on the box. Tearing the box is really easy. That's at the bottom. And here you will see how I struggle to remove the item from the box. So just stay tuned. Ayaw mag-slide. Ayun. Wow, okay. As you can see, it's really my first time to have a GoPro, so I'm really not sure what I'm doing here. So here I'm unscrewing this part so that we can detach the camera. Later on this video you will see that I've already removed the sticker. I'm also going to teach you how to unmount or mount the GoPro, how to open and close the side panels, and how to remove the GoPro from its case. Inside the box you will find the manuals and the stickers. You will find two of these inside for mounting the GoPro. One is flat and one is curved. Now cord for charging and for transferring files. Battery is included. Attach is a tab so you can pull the battery out. And now it's empty. Yay. So for unmounting the GoPro, just pull the tab up and then you just have to push to slide the cartridge out, if you know what I mean, because I don't know how this is called. If your GoPro is new, there will actually a struggle in doing this procedure, so take time and be careful, okay? I improvised my old tripod since I no longer have the point and shoot camera. And as you can see, I took the piece and attached it on top so that I can mount my GoPro on it. And to mount the GoPro, you just have to slide it in, and as soon as you hear the click, that's the time that it tells you that the GoPro is secure. And you just have to push the tab down. Once again, I'm just showing you how to unmount the GoPro. And since I'm going to store this GoPro now, I'm going to remove this from its case. So you just have to carefully pull the tab up. There, every time I do that, it's like I'm gonna break this GoPro. So just pull this side down and then push the camera out from the case. Okay, just be careful not to scratch the monitor and your lenses. And to open this part where you put the battery in and also your SD card, push this button and then slide the panel. Removing the battery, just hold the tab and pull it out. And to close, just do it on reverse. And do the same if you want to charge or if you want to transfer your files. This time on this side. Thank you so much for watching my video. So once again, this is